Today I'm going to file affidavit in opposition, my lord.
You need time to file affidavit.
Yes, my lord, I already copy served, my lord, to my friend, my lord. So I pray, my lord, the matter will be fixed on after review, my lord, any date, my lord.
Date will fix, Lordship. By
20
this time, I am appealing for the petitioner.
24th of January.
Copies will served upon you.
24th of January, my lord.
Okay. Sri S.K. Medhi, learned CGC, has submitted that the affidavit in opposition would be filed during the course of the
Yes,
day. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 24th of
January, my lord.
24/1 along with the affidavit.
Yes, file, much of this.
May it please your lordship.
Is there, Mr. Pukas, any interim order? No.
No, Lordship.
May it please your lordship. My lord, I pray for listing one motion matter lordship on Wednesday lordship.
My lord,
Yes.
My lords, I'm also praying for a listing of a motion matter on Wednesday, my lords.
Filed or not?
It's filed, my lords, it's fine.
May I please? I pray for listener to read. Petition, it was last posted on 9th of May. That's meaning admission column after vacation, Lord, any date, Lord.
What is the subject matter?
Lordship, the non-payment of, let's say, higher stress bill, Lordship.
First.
9th of May, it was last listed, Lord.
You approach the registry. Yes.
Well, similar matter, your lordship already fixed on 7/1 out of the same on set, my lord, member, my lord. So matter this
Similar
matter,
means what is the issue involved?
issue involved, my lord, they were not allowed to, my lord, or take oath, my lord. Thereafter, your lordship already
Okay,
passed.
7th, we have, okay.
Already, over judgment.
This beg to mention for listing on Wednesday of an excise matter.
Motion.
Motion matter.
Motion is.
Another mention, item number 32. The orders column matter has become infructuous.
Okay.
The petition has got the relief.
CGC, any CGC is here?
Item 32, my CDC.
Okay, Sri D.K. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that by flux of time, the matter has become infructuous. Also heard Sri S.S. Roy, learned CGC. And who is the standing counsel of AUWS and SB? Assam Urban Water Sewerage. Sewerage, I think we had some RM Das. Who? Asbora, I think. And Asbora, understanding council. Para, in view of the above, the matter is dismissed as infructuous.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. May it please your lordship.
My lord, I beg for adjournment of item number 23 up to date, please. My
Yes.
senior counsel, Mr. P. Phatak, is not here actually.
Oops.
So allow me to engage another lawyer, another senior counsel, your lordship.
Okay.
Just,
When do you want?
just 1 week time.
Okay. Our request for adjournment has been made by Sri A. Narzari to make alternative arrangement. SC Fishery, who's there? Fishery Department is. Huh? Okay. She is informed or not, Mr. Narzari? You have to inform her.
Not yet, your lordship.
You inform her, we'll adjourn it, no problem. You inform her and come back. Okay.
Obliged, Your
अभी लंबा लिखिए.
May I please, your lord. May I please, your lord. My lord, I beg to mention item number 41, my lord.
21, yes.
41.
41,
Yes, sir.
yes.
The matter may kindly be taken up after vacation, my lord.
41.
Yes, my lord.
41 is for I for what?
I have for motivation of order, my lord, of your lordship, my lord. But, my lord,
Forest. Yes, madam.
after vacation, my lord.
41, he seeks an adjournment. When?
After vacation, my lord.
Which vacation? Vacation is just over.
In the last part of the January, my lord.
Last part of January, okay. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of the applicant. Full stop. Para, in view of the above. List on 28th of January.
Back to my item number 10, my lord.
Hmm.
There's some defect, my lord. Am I allowed to withdraw this petition with liberty to file a first, my lord?
Item 10.
10, my lord.
Sri R. S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that due to inadvertence, there is some defect in presenting the petition. Full stop. He accordingly prays for withdrawal of the same with a liberty to file a fresh para. In view of the above, petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for.
Job, my lord.
May it please your lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, item number 10.
10.
lordship, I'm
10,
appearing.
10,
9,
9, yes.
item number 9, I'm appearing for caveator, lordship.
Okay.
I am yet to receive the instructions. Lordship, can it be taken up on Wednesday or Friday as per your
If
lordship?
you are on caveat, what instructions? The moment you file the caveat, we presume that you have been instructed. You don't make such a prayer. What is the meaning of a caveat? To enable you to have further instructions. Okay, we'll accommodate you, but don't, caveat means caveat. Your name is not shown.
My name is not shown.
P. Barua. Sri P. Barua, Learned Counsel, submits that a caveat has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 1. And his name is not reflected in the cause list. Let us put that, okay? Para, in view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on Wednesday
Lordship.
by reflecting the name of the Learned Counsel for the caveat. Okay,
May I please your lordship? Item number 16, lordship.
16.
16,
Yes.
lordship. Here, lordship may not like to take the matter, lordship, the Hotel Dynasty matter, lordship.
Okay, is it okay? Please, before any other bench without me.
Interim is there, lordship.
Interim order, is it limited by time till today?
Yes, lordship. Till the next.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Maybe after 3 weeks, lordship.
Will not say anything.
Must oblige. May it please your
Okay.
lordship. I beg to mention listing of a motion matter for tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow, why urgency?
Yes, my lord, 7 January, the government tender, I am challenging the tender. It's fixed on 7th.
Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship? I got to mention item 44, Chairman.
44.
40.
40. Yes. What is it? What is your prayer?
We need accommodation for today.
Why?
My senior reached last night also. He could not prepare.
Okay, I have for what?
I have for delay also.
I have for
Delay.
delay condemnation.
Yes.
Okay. On a prayer made on behalf of the applicant, matter is adjourned to be listed on when? When do you want?
After
When-
1 week.
Huh?
After 1 week.
After 1 week. After 1 week is holidays again. On 28th of 2/8. 28/1.
Deeply.
My lord, I beg to mention for listing one matter. My lord, it may be listed on 20.
Motion.
No, my lord, order matter on 19.
What is the subject matter?
My lord, land settlement.
Sorry, it's
matter, my lord.
not a matter for
But my lord-
mentioning. Sorry.
Lordship, they are afraid that the eviction.
See, mention memo for listing, it has to be absolutely urgent. Except motion, others we are not, it's not for a matter of
My
routine.
lord, there is an apprehension of.
On apprehension, we are not allowing mention memo, sorry. Motion is different, yes.
May I please? My lord, I beg to mention on matter for listing for tomorrow.
Motion,
Motion.
urgency.
My lord, on retail outlet has been suddenly.
Have it there, have it on my Wednesday? Have it on Wednesday?
on it.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 15, lordship.
1/5,
Yes, lordship.
1/5.
Yes, lord.
Yes, what is it?
Conducting counsel, Mr. A. Sharma has some personal difficulty today, lordship. Can it be taken up after the BU vacation, lordship?
Inform the other side, it's a 21 matter.
Respondent number 1 and 2, lordship.
Inform the other side.
Yes, lordship. We have taken the counsel.
On a request made on behalf of Sri A. Sharma, Learned Counsel for respondent numbers 1 and 2. Matter is adjourned to be listed on, we fixed a date, 21 matter. Listed on 21st of January. Okay?
Okay.
21/1.
Hello.
May I please, your lordship? My lord,
Yes.
I've taken the consent. I have
Yes,
informed
sir.
the other side.
Which was the matter?
Item number 23, your lordship.
23 लिखा था ना?
Yes, an interim order as well.
On behalf of Vice Free. To make alternative arrangement. Para, in view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 30th of January, 31.
There is an interim
Or
order.
31, interim order passed earlier to continue till the next day of listing.
Obliged.
I didn't want.
Yes, contempt.
On compliance of this order, your lordship, page 13 is the order. Operative part, your lordship will find page 14, your lordship. Page 14, para 5, your lordship. And the
Page,
page 14, your lordship. Para 5.
why was the earlier contempt petition
Lordship,
closed?
it was filed basing on the earlier representation, your lordship, that we do not have the acknowledgement, that is why subsequent communication was counted for our lordship, compliance of non-compliance, your lordship. That is why, lordship, after withdrawal of that content, your lordship, we have filed after completion of the 3 months, your lordship, as directed by the honorable.
Okay, okay. Heard Sri L. Mohan, learned counsel for the petitioner who has alleged willful and deliberate disobedience of the order dated 8/8/24 passed in so and so. The learned counsel has also drawn the attention of this court to the order dated 7/11/2025 passed in contempt case number 561/2025, wherein certain observations were made while dropping that contempt application. Para, let notice be issued returnable on 16th of February 2026. Let steps, by speed post with 80 steps within 2 working days.
All right.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, we have salient, this, my lord, it will letter dated 7/8/2025, my lord, at page 57, my lord. The last occasion, my lord, my lordship directed my learned friend to obtain instruction.
Yes.
Lordship, an order is already passed on 13/5/2025, whereas a petitioner, he has been stacking his minor minerals outside the concession area, Lordship.
No, no, you were, the court had directed you
Yes.
to obtain instructions with regard to the manner of consideration of his reply.
Yes.
Have
We
you
have-
got this?
Yes.
What, it has been considered
It has been considered. Your
and
Lordship, if I-
rejected.
It's been rejected and the further.
Has it been communicated?
They said they have not received the copy yet, your Lordship, but 13/5/2025, we already communicated to him.
No, my lord, as per my instruction, my lord, they have now enabled my payment option, my lord, and asked me to deposit the entire amount. And
You have to challenge that consideration order.
but that order I have not received, my lord.
They said.
Let us see the order. Copy marked to him.
Copy is not marked to him, your Lordship.
Then how does he get the order? There is no number of,
There's a draft, your Lordship. I received the draft, the original.
no, when was it issued?
13/5/2025.
No, giving this will not help you, Mr. And this order was passed on 27/8/25. After that, it has come today.
Yes,
If you have got a proper order, if it was issued, communicated on 13/5, you cannot give this kind of order. Doesn't have a number, there is no signature, who has issued it, we do not know. So you take proper instruction, not like this,
on Wednesday, on Friday, your Lordship.
Friday, Thursday,
Thursday.
okay. In terms of the order dated 27/8/2025, Sri R.R. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, Forest Department, has submitted that instructions have been obtained, as per which, an order dated 13/5/2025 has been passed rejecting the explanation submitted by the petitioner. Full stop. Though a copy of the aforesaid order has been placed before this court, the same does not bear any number or signature, full stop, in view of the above, further time till Thursday is granted to the Learned Standing Council to obtain proper instructions in this regard. Para, please for motion on Thursday, huh?
Very well.
Thursday will be 8th.
Obliged.
Yeah, Mr. Kotoki?
Milord, the second time tender notice was issued on 4/3/17. Comparative statement was prepared, forwarded to the government. Since 2017, Milord, no settlement is made. I am the highest bidder. I am highest valid bidder, Milord.
That 17, that period is over also.
No, Milord, period always started from the date of handing over the position.
That is okay, but you cannot insist
there-
upon.
that-
Yes, why haven't you settled this matter?
Milord,
How are you running for the last 7 years?
Milord, this is the second time tender notice was issued.
My lord, may give some time to take instruction, my
We'll issue notice.
lord.
Heard Sri S. Kotoki, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that pursuant to an NIT dated 4/3/2017 for settlement of number 25 Kataktali River Fishery in the district of Borpeta. The petitioner had emerged as the highest bidder. Full stop. It is also contended that it was on the second occasion when the petitioner was declared to be the highest bidder, full stop. However, for reasons not disclosed, comma, the settlement has not been granted to the petition. Para. Let notice be issued. Why have you come to the court so late?
Milord, always waiting, Milord, I filed a representation. On my representation day,
17 to 25, 26, 25 you have filed.
always approaching the court sometime.
No, you have told it, notice of motion, huh? Returnable on 6th of February 2026. Madam Chutia, you are standing counsel fisheries.
1 and 2.
Miss S. Chutia, Learned Standing Counsel Fisheries Department, access for 1 and 2. District Commissioner, you does the State Council for 3 extra copies, para. However, considering that this writ court has been approached after an inordinate delay, comma, the aspect of maintainability is kept open. Inordinate delay and the period. Sure, mathematical. Yes,
May it please your lordship. My lord,
Item
this
number?
present
Rathi, yes.
yes, my lord. My lord, the present writ petition has been filed, challenging the illegal.
Yes, railways, you're appearing.
Yes, my lord, they have filed this petition.
Alternative remedy is there.
Yes, they
Yes.
have approached the RCT, my lord. My lord,
It is functional, why
Yes,
don't?
my lord, I'm approaching the High Court, Honorable High Court, instead of the Railway Claims Tribunal, my lord, because the Railway Claims Tribunal has only jurisdiction in respect to granting compensation, my lord. However, in the present case, the facts are different, my lord. The case is in regard to illegal collection of penal damage charges, my lord. There has been a circular issued by the Railway Board. According to the said circular, before imposing penal damage charges, the mandatory prerequisite is to issue a 48.
No, this issue cannot be adjudicated by the tribunal.
My lord, in similar nature matter, our Honorable High Court have entertained a writ petition and.
No,
granted relief.
High Court entertaining is a different matter.
Yes, my lord.
But the tribunal does not have the jurisdiction to adjudicate this kind of an issue.
My lord,
See, don't flood the High Court. The purpose is not to
Yes,
come to
but-
the High Court for all matters. When you have an alternative remedy, efficacious remedy,
yes,
specially meant for adjudication of this kind of, it's not a civil code that it's a tribunal only for this kind of matters. Why do you flood the High Court?
my lord, in the.
And whatever relief you will get here, if you have merits, you'll get the relief there also.
Yes, my lord, that is there. My lord, at the
If
same.
you have some other apprehension, then you can express, but we don't find that there is any other apprehension.
My lord, there has
You may
been-
not be wrong in contending that 226 doors may be open, but why should we unnecessarily?
My lord, in similar nature matter, notice has been issued. If it can be taken up together, my lord, if this matter, I am placing the orders.
No, that is not a precedent. See, if you can make out a case that you cannot approach the tribunal for this reasons,
Yes, ma'am.
then, and you do not have any other remedy, then you come to the High Court. You have an efficacious remedy.
In that respect, if your lordship may kindly look upon section 13 of the Railways Act.
Okay.
I have given that.
Which act?
My lord, Railway Claims Tribunal.
I have given the printout of the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's it, আমাকে এটা ফোন আছে। RCT Act.
1987.
তাতে আছে, এখানতে আছে। তুমি এখানতে এখন উপরে কোনো আছে। এখানে তো আছে। নহয়, এইখনতে তাতে আছে। ৰেলৱে জেটমেৰ ভিতৰত থাকিব না। কেতিয়াবা এইবিলাকতো চাব লাগে হা। বহুত এক্ট এখন মেইনখনৰ আগত চাই লাগে। সদায় চাব লাগে। Yes,
If your lordship is there at section 13, my lord.
1-3.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Yes.
My lord. The Claims Tribunal
Hmm.
shall exercise, this provision is in regard to jurisdiction, my lord.
Hmm.
The Claims Tribunal shall exercise on and from the appointed day all such jurisdiction, power and authorities as were exercisable immediately before that day by any civil court or claims commissioner appointed under the provision of the Railways Act.
Correct.
Relating to the responsibilities of the railway administration as carriers under Chapter 7 of the Railways Act in respect of claims for compensation for loss, destruction, damage, deterioration, non-delivery of animals or goods entrusted to a railway administration for carriage by railway, compensation payable under Section 82A of the Railways Act or the rules made thereunder in respect of claims for refund of fares or part thereof or for refund of any freight paid in respect to animals or good entrusted to a railway administration to be carried by railway. The Railway Claims Tribunal shall also exercise on and from the date of the commencement of the provision of Section 124A of the Railways Act immediately before that day by any civil court in respect of claims for compensation now payable by the railway administration under Section 124A of the said Act and rules made therein. My lord, this provision is only in respect to granting compensation, my lord, in case of loss, destruction, damage, deterioration, or non-delivery of the goods, my lord. However, in my
What
case,
is your claim?
penalty has been imposed upon me, my lord. There has been imposition of penalty, and the imposition was itself illegal, my lord. I am challenging the illegality of the imposition of the penalty, my lord.
That would fall under clause B, my lord. 13.
B?
The penal damages charges, my lord, it is a part of the freight. Now, he's
No,
asking for
what
the
is B in respect of claims for refund of fares,
part thereof,
part thereof, or refund?
of any
Of-
freight paid in respect of. No, my lord, whatever freight he has paid, my lord, on that we have imposed penal damages charges. Now, he's asking for refund of that charges, my lord.
It's not a freight, my
Now,
lord.
whether
it's a
that has
penalty.
been
Okay,
rightly
okay,
imposed
okay.
or wrongly
Heard.
imposed.
Sri D. Rathi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Petitioner, full stop. The petitioner has put to challenge the imposition of panel demurrage charge and terminal charge,
Yes, ma'am.
terminal charge by the respondent authorities. Full stop. Para. Sri H. Gupta, learned CGC has however raised an objection by submitting that the proper remedy for the petitioner would be to approach the Railway Claims Tribunal. Full stop. Para. Sri Rathi, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has responded that under Section 13, that the subject matter raised in this writ petition would not fall under the jurisdiction and powers to be exercised by the tribunal as defined under Section 13 of the Railway Claims Tribunal Act 1987, para. Let notice be issued. No, he has also submitted that in a similar matter, notice has been issued. Returnable, notice has been issued. A similar matter being WPC
My lord, 6678/2024.
6678 2024,
24.
para. Let notice be issued. Returnable on 6th of February 2026. Sri Gupta, the learned learned CGC accept notice on behalf of both the respondents, extra copies. Full stop. List along with WPC so and so. The aspect of maintainability is have kept open.
My lord, much obliged.
We'll see whether. Item 5, Mr. Sharma.
Well, we have filed this against the cancellation of my contract with the government. Matter. The the petitioner is a contractor. The state government issued a tender notice for construction of the ICC building at Jorhat, and his tender was accepted as rupees 3,71,000.
Okay.
Work was already issued, but the possession could not be handed over by the government. Therefore, as the said place was occupied by one gas agency, government took step to evict the gas agency, but
Industries and Commerce, madam, you'd be appealing. It doesn't have any arbitration clause.
no,
It was cancelled on which date?
it was cancelled. Your lordship can see the by I
25.
25.
Page 41.
What is the present position?
present position, whether no fresh tender was issued. And the
But won't you be entitled to invoke the civil court jurisdiction for compensation?
compensation, I am entitled to get the work because the cancellation order is absolutely illegal.
Did you start the work? You had started the work.
No, we have not started the work because the site could not be handed over to us. The ground for cancellation is sense of design, sense of.
But if the site could not be handed over, that will be a breach of the contract. You can sue for damage. 73.
They cancel and they will construct the building there. They cancel the order. It is.
Yes, madam.
Well, I'll have to take instruction.
It had come up earlier. What instructions are it?
Should normal,
No, that is okay, but
they have to file additional affidavit,
Additional affidavit we have.
so that has been filed.
what is the additional affidavit about?
The annexure 19 was wrongly.
Okay. Heard. Sri A.C. Sharma, learned senior counsel assisted by Sri A. Khonikar for the petitioner who is aggrieved by cancellation by an order dated 4/8/2025, whereby the contract awarded to the petitioner on 26/12/2023 has been cancelled. Full stop. It is the contention of the petitioner that after receiving the work order on 22/10/2020 for construction of RCC office building within bracket G+2 bracket close DINCC Sailabad, Jorhat, comma, the site was not handed over. And therefore, there was no fault on the part of the petitioner for the delay
Yes.
in initiation of the work. Full stop, para. Let notice be, he has also submitted that pursuant to directions of this court, comma, additional affidavit has been filed, para. Let notice be issued, returnable on 6th of February 2026. Ms. U. Das, Learned State Council, accepts notice on behalf of
1, two.
All the respondents.
1, 2, 4, 5, and 7, my lord.
Industrial infrastructure,
My lord,
1, 2, 4, 5,
and 7, my lord.
7. That extra copies, yeah? 2 and 3 and 6 by Restat. No, there are, I think, district industrial. Somebody appears for the DIC.
Probably the DIC.
Who appears? SDAS.
Probably, my lord. Yes,
Oh?
probably, my lord. I'll,
Mr. Konikor, I think SDAS appears. But you take steps by people. Steps for service of notice upon the respondents 3 and 7. 3 and 6 by speed post with AD. Steps within 2 working days. Okay.
But I also pray for stay of retendering.
already.
No,
Cancel,
retendering. My page 19,
That-
pending
Has any
disposal.
notice been issued?
Hello?
Has any notice been issued?
Yeah, I got the cancellation letter.
No. Has any notice for retendering been issued?
Not it.
If it is issued, come to the court.
Yes, my lord.
The Rana Senior Council prays for an interim order. Full stop. Para. It however transpires that till date, no fresh notice, fresh NIT has been issued. Full stop. In case of any such development, the petitioner would be at liberty to approach this court. You file an IA if there is
Okay.
any.
Isn't car.
May I please, Your Lordship? Also, the matter relates to non-payment of contractors, Your Lordship. The petitioner got his order, which is in annexure number 1 and 2, Lordship.
Which year, madam?
2020, Lordship.
2017?
20.
Lord.
What have you made all this time?
I'm sorry, Lordship.
All these years, where are you?
He was under the assumption, Lordship, that he will get his money back.
Assumption will not save you from the delay. 17 matter. You have come up after 9 years.
He has done RTI, Lordship, and he.
RTI was in 25.
25.
Yes. Even after that, he didn't get
If
the
you
money.
sleep over your rights, and this is a writ court of equity, and if something is barred by law for a civil court, same spirit would be applicable in a writ proceeding. In fact, it will be even stricter. We are exercising equity jurisdiction. Which department?
Irrigation.
You have moved this on a very strategic date. Opening date, we are not dismissing.
Lordship.
Mr. Sahiwala is also smiling. But you will be in difficulty, madam. You should come advise your clients. Heard Miss Yunanda, learned counsel for the petitioner who has approached this court against non-payment of contractual dues, which has been quantified at rupees 30, how much?
2,35,244.
2 lakh?
35,244 Lordship.
244 balance.
Balance.
Balance of the contract will be amounting to 235,244. Para. 3 Upadhyay. Sri Anupadhyay, Learned Standing Council, Irrigation. Department has, however, raised the issue of maintainability of this writ petition on the point of delay in approaching this court. Para. Be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable on 6th of February 2026. Sri Upadhyay, the Learned Standing Council, accepts for all the respondents, let extra copies. The issue of maintainability is, however, kept open.
Lord, obliged.
I'm obliged, Lord.
Yes,
May I
Mr.
please, Your
Todi?
Lordship? Non-consideration of the subsidy, Lordship, right subsidy scheme. In this matter, Lordship, we have submitted our claim application.
Who are the respondents?
the
For one.
Industries and Commerce Department, State of Assam, and
You say that you are entitled to the subsidy.
I'm entitled to
Has
subsidy,
that has been considered or not?
not considered.
Not
After
considered.
submission of the claim, they have on repeated occasions asked for additional documents. We have submitted that. Ultimately, he has returned back the entire claim file, saying that for shortfall of the documents. And we have been regularly trying to follow up. to
Okay. Heard 3A to the Leonard, both are similar.
Similar, only periods are different and
Uh,
amount is different.
Heard 3A to the Leonard Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by non-payment of the subsidy, which according to the petitioner is entitled by it, full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner, that in support of the claim, comma, in support of the claim, comma, in spite of submission of all the documents, comma, the claim has been illegally rejected, returned, full stop, para. That notice be issued, returnable on 6th of February 2026. Yes, we'll take Union of India CGC, B. Sharma, Ms. B. Sharma, CGC for 1.
And for 2 and 3, Madam.
Miss, you plus State Council for 2 and 3. And did you serve DIC? Somebody, Mr. S. Das, I think appear S. Das.
The Industries Department only.
But General Manager, District Industries Commerce Center, Kabru Center. We can. Madam.
In the other case also you can, I think.
Yes.
Itu eta loisila niki tumi? Kuntu eta loisilu? Huh? No, suit post na lage, huh? All by you does, huh? Etu kori report. Yes. Same order.
Same order.
Give extra copies.
Much obliged.
Then bolo kitu jorai di ko ni, but we pariwa di jolai dia na itu. Peter tu. It. Unta pesa no. Yes.
This is Malo regarding non-payment of contractor bill.
Item number?
Item number 11. Work order is case number 16.
Work of which year?
So I have completed in the year 2025. Completion certificate is case number 19.
25.
25. Completion certificate issued on 27/3/2025. The bills are already prepared, Lordship, at page number 17 onwards.
Completion certificate is of which date?
My lord, 27/3/2025, Lordship.
Okay.
After petitioner represented before the
What was the work?
work regarding my lord.
Desilting.
Yes, sir.
Desilting, some orders have been passed, Madam Botakur.
Lordship.
Did you pass any orders earlier? Okay, heard Sri D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by non-payment of contractual dues with regard to a work which was allotted to the petitioner, wide tender notice dated 5/1/2024. Full stop. It has been submitted that the work has been duly completed and a completion certificate has also been issued in favor of the petitioner. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable on 6th of February 2026. Ms. A. Potakur, you are standing counsel.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Pina.
Learned Counsel appearing on instruction of Sri Pina, standing counsel GMC, accept notice on behalf of respondent was 1 and 1, 2, 3, all the respondents,
Yes.
extra copies, okay?
Highly opposed.
This is also regarding my non-payment of the admitted amount, my lord. Your losses turns to page 26, my lord.
1 crore 26. That what's for the fund has not been seen. Third, Sri G.N. Sahewala, Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. K. Sharma, for the petitioner who is aggrieved by non-payment of contractual dues. Full stop. It has been submitted that the amount involved is admitted. Full stop. Para. That notice be issued. Returnable on 6th of February 2026. Public Health Engineering, yes. R.R. Gogoi for all the respondents. Extra copies.
Obliged, Lord.
IA for
For improvement of revenue and disaster management.
respondent numbers, there will be respondent numbers what, madam?
6 and 7.
6 and 7. Okay. What is your name, madam?
S. Dev.
S.
S. Dev.
Dib. Heard. You're on behalf of whom? NJ Gogoi. Heard. You're not on record. You're on record. Heard Miss S. Dib, learned counsel for the applicant, who by means of this application has prayed for inclusion of the following parties as respondent numbers 6 and 7 in the connected WPC 1079 of 2025. Follow 1, so-and-so, 2, so-and-so, bracketed respond number 6, 1 not, 2, bracketed respond number 7. It is submitted that the proposed parties are necessary parties, and this court in the connected writ petition had also made an observation in this regard. Para. Also heard 3. No, you're not being heard. Also heard Miss U. Das, learned State Counsel. Para. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties, the instant I is allowed, and the entities named above are permitted to be added as respondent numbers 6 and 7. I stands disposed of. Main WPC. Wide an order passed today in IA number 3008 of 2025. The following parties have been added as respondent number 6 and 7. Namkata 1, 2, 4. Sri Satyajit Dr. Learned Standing Counsel Revenue Department, who accepts notice on behalf of the newly implemented respondent number 6 and 7. Full stop, let extra copies. Let formal notice be issued. Full stop, let extra copies of the writ petition be served upon. No. Formal notice be don't write a formal. Accept notice. Let amended cost title be filed by the petitioner within a week, whereafter formal notice would be issued to the newly implemented respondent numbers 6 and 7. List after filing of the amended cost title. You do it within a week, madam. 14. So what is this? Respondent R. Hazarika, C. Chakraborty, BP Sharma, Mr. Roy, J. Roy. What is this application?
Lordship, implement of respondent number 3, Lordship.
Who is free?
She is the Lordship, LOA was issued in February.
Okay. 3 is the agree party.
Lordship, Lordship.
Oh, affected party.
Affected party will be the respondent number 3, Lordship.
We can allow this, but we want
I
some,
have no objection.
wanted some representation. If nobody is there. Can you have anybody, Mr. J. Roy's, S. Sharma, R. Harzadika, C. Chakraborty?
Lordship, Roy sir has, Lordship, done the brief, Lordship. It was by the B. Sharma, Lordship.
B. Sharma, BP Sharma.
BP
Who is
Sharma.
BP Sharma? Okay, none appears for the applicant on call, whereas PK Goel Leonard CGC is present for the respondent para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on, we give a date on 27th of January.
Lordship, oblige, Lordship.
If you know Mr. BP Sharma, kindly inform Mr. Gogol.
Lordship, I'll.
Inform him.
I'll.
Lordship, I am for the respondent, Your Lordship. I have received instruction, Your Lordship. As per my instruction, petitioner has completed only 50% of the work, and
But you are given time to file affidavit, you have not done till now.
Lordship, kindly allow some more time. I will file affidavit, Your Lordship. As
So this
per
matter is pending since 2022.
Yes, Your
None
Lordship.
appears for the, get a chance now, there is no representative. None appears for the petitioner on call. Whereas Miss R.M. Deca, learned Standing Council Water Resource Department is present, full stop. The learned Standing Council has submitted that instructions have been received and has renewed the prayer for time to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 2nd of February, by which time the affidavit in opposition is required to be filed.
Oblige.
What is this?
Well, in this case, pleading is complete. And in analogous matter, I have just got the instruction, one judgment has been passed. Will it come after this new vacation matter? Can be.
Yeah, for whom?
FCR Standing Council on behalf of Mr. BK Singh.
Okay, when do you want after the Bihu vacation?
After this.
B. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that a similar issue has been decided in WPC
WBC 4591
4591
of
of
2022.
22, which he would like to place before this court. Full stop. In view of the above, matter is adjourned, and view of the court, and accordingly he placed for some time. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on when? 19th?
Lordship, on first week of February.
On 2nd of February.
Oblige, Lordship. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, matter relates to the non-payment of contractor's bill, Lordship. The respondent number 1 and 2 has filed their affidavit, but they are disputing the amount. So, Lordship, the affidavit of the respondent number 4, to the principal of the college, it is necessary, Lordship.
We need instruction from our client. We gave mail, but we don't receive any response. We need time.
22 matter, madam. Mr. Goswami, you are from whom?
I'm for number 3, Lordship CDC, Dibrugarh University.
Okay. And you have disputed.
No, Lordship.
Who has disputed? You have disputed. UGC has disputed. The tender was floated by whom?
The college.
College.
Yes, Lordship.
You had a, your affidavit may be relevant. You filed your affidavit, madam. But if you are not able to file your affidavit, you have to proceed. Okay.
I will also file my affidavit in the meantime.
Okay. While the respondent numbers 1 and 2
Lordship.
have filed the affidavit, comma, the other respondents are yet to file such affidavit. Para. On the prayer of Sri R. Goswami, learned counsel for respondent number 3 and Miss M. Bora. You are not there. M. Bora, for the respondent number 4, 3 weeks further time is granted to file the affidavit in opposition. We give a date list on 4th of February.
Lordship.
May I please, Lordship may kindly pass over the matter for time being. Senior is on legs in another court.
What is the matter? Affidavits filed.
Lordship, I'm not aware.
Who's for the other side, madam? Das, you're there. Who's this? Health. Health, who appears? Mr. B.U.O.A. B. Gogoi, D. Bora, S. Sharma. Okay, I have it after a while. She is also making a request. After a while, call your senior.
May I please file?
Yes, Mr. Data.
This case pertains to non-payment of the contractual amount. This is otherwise admitted by the department. My lord, in this particular matter,
Madam, you're for whom?
Lordship, I appear for BTC, my lord.
Okay.
Lordship, part payment has already been made, my lord, and the amount which she is claiming, my lord, is not been released because of the fact that only 42% of the work has been done. And
42%.
and on the last occasion, my lord, we have pointed out, my lord, to the honorable court about the annexure 20, page 60, my lord, where it has been reflected, my lord. The physical progress of the
42%.
work is 42%.
42%.
So, my lord, and
Have you paid for the 42%?
Why not?
yes, my lord, 36 lakhs has already been released.
Now, this 46 lakhs is commensurate to this 42%.
46.
What kind of work, Mr. Deka? What was the work?
Basically, this is a work for the renovation of SDO office building.
Construction of an office building.
Construction of an office building.
Madam, you file an affidavit.
Lordship.
File an affidavit.
Lordship. On the last occasion, my lord, the petitioner was accommodated some time to bring the status, my lord, whatever.
How can I bring status? About whatever documents I have already annexed with the document, my lord.
No, there is an order. She is right. There is an order of this court. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of 6 for an accommodation in the matter.
Yes, madam.
Again.
All right, my lord. I will bring the necessary instructions.
Okay. And in the meantime, we also filed the affidavit.
Yes, madam.
Sri B. Deka Learned Counsel for the petitioner renews his prayer for some time to obtain further instructions. Para. List on 4th of February 2026. Para. In the meantime, the BTC represented by Ms.
B. Bora.
B. Bora is also required to file the affidavit in opposition. Sri A. Fukan is present for?
For number 2, man.
Who's to?
General administration.
Sri A. Fukan learned standing on GAD is present.
Deeply obliged, my lord. I apologize for my mistake.
24, Mr. Chakraborty.
Lord, in this case, respondent number 3 has filed an affidavit on 16/12. I need to respond to this matter.
You're for 3.
Respondent number 3 is the
I
director.
think my learned friend is.
Okay. And Mr. Datta for?
I am for the respondent number 6, my lord, Shilchar Municipal Corporation.
You filed.
So far, 2 is concerned. Number, I mean 24, my lord, this is ready in all respect possibly. and that matter can be heard.
Which one?
Item 24.
No, 24 only we are,
Yeah, in this matter, I'm seeking
he'll be filing rejoinder to the affidavit.
filed by municipal administration. Reply to the affidavit.
Possibly rejoinder, he wanted to mean the material instruction is not completed
My
so
lord.
far he is concerned.
That is between him and his client. We
Right.
cannot say anything.
Otherwise, my lord, this matter was substantially heard by Honorable Justice Borua.
If you go, see, we don't mind taking up the matter or by any of our brothers or sisters.
No, my lord, I am
Yeah.
not saying that. I said that my learned friend also is know of the matter. The matter was been heard totally. And it's for my lord,
Let
there
him
was
file the
a-
rejoinder.
My lord, my senior has caught the bull by the horn, so I am not going to make much of.
Okay,
what is pinching my?
heard Sri D. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri S. Datta, learned senior counsel for the respondent number
6.
6, and Miss Udas, learned state counsel. Full stop. The state counsel who have filed their respective affidavits in opposition. Para Sri Chakraborty. No, he has also filed. Sri Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petition appraised for and is granted time till 4th of February to file rejoinder affidavit.
To the affidavit of the.
Rejoinder affidavit.
Ma-
Para, list accordingly on 4th.
Okay.
4/2,
Oblige.
26.
Can it be on 6th, my lord?
6th we can have Friday.
Yes.
Oblige.
6/2.
On 4th, my availability is not sure.
6/2.
Obliged.
Oblige.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, any pleadings are over in this matter. My lordship is ready to hear them, my lord.
25.
My lords.
What is the matter about
Petitioner here is the owner of an coal operated.
Mr. Borua for whom?
Lordship, I am for the state of the lord.
What is the subject involved?
My lord, it involves that the seizure of the coal at my coal depot. My lord, it was done in the year 2024.
If both the parties are agreeable, we can have this for admission hearing.
Otherwise, lordship, they have the appellate provision.
No, my lord, that has been
I have
exercised.
in our.
No, that we'll examine all
That
the
has been
aspects.
exercised.
We will examine all the aspects, even your objection.
Lordship.
We can have it for admission hearing whenever you say. When?
My lord, as per your convenience, my lord.
Tell us.
My lord, immediately after the BU vacations, 22nd, my lord.
22nd.
Because my lord, my coal has been lying for 1 year, 6 months now.
22nd. Maybe possible. Yes, what do you say, Mr. Borua?
No, I don't have any.
Pleadings have been exchanged and the learned counsel for the parties have submitted that the matter can be taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Para? In view of the aforesaid submissions, place this case for admission hearing on 22nd of January 22/1/2026.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Obliged.
Madam Nanda?
Yes, Lordship, it's again for non-payment of contractors bill, Lordship.
Yes.
The last.
Which department?
Irrigation Department, Lordship.
Irrigation. Irrigation, Mr. N. Upadhyay. Irrigation, N. Upadhyay.
Yeah.
He was around. His name has been reflected or not, madam?
Sure.
Shown. Why have you filed additional affidavit?
To bring the work orders, additional affidavit work orders, Lordship, to bring the work orders.
Mr. Upadhyay, where is he? Can you get him? He's around. We can have it after a while. Please try to get him. Mr. Chaudhary, for whom?
I'm appearing for respondent number 4, my lord.
Yes, petitioner.
Your Worship, we were informed that the respondent number, ICICI Bank would be seeking time for filing the affidavit in opposition. Worship.
Who is for ICICI?
Oh, I am appearing.
You'll file.
Yes, we're filing the affidavit within a week's time. Within a week's time.
Okay. Sri K. N. Chaudhary, Learned Senate Council, appearing for the respondent number 4, has submitted that the affidavit in opposition will be filed within a week. Para? In view of the above, consideration of this matter is deferred. And the matter and the same is to be listed on when? Tell us.
My lord,
30,
the 21st, 21, my lord.
21. Can you file? If you can file, yes. 21.
Yes.
21.
Lordship. My lord, this petition is not maintainable. We will bring out your lordship, sir.
How are you connected? ICICI?
My lord, I have been engaged.
No. How are you connected with this matter? ICICI, how is it a party?
ICICI Bank. My lord, actually the
Grievances against whom?
against us. Actually, my lord, they claim that they have brought 2 consignment of bitumen purportedly from, my lord, UAE, and it will be transported to, my lord, Bangladesh. Now it has so transpired on an discrete inquiry being conducted. The consignment was brought from Iran. From Iran, it was sent to Malaysia, and from Malaysia, it was transferred to Bangladesh. Now, my lord, Iran is there is a sanction imposed against Iran. In that view of the matter, my lord, RBI circulars are very clear.
No, what is the cause of action? Yes?
What is actually, we had exported to a party in Bangladesh, and they have already remitted the amount. But ICICI is not accepting the amount because of the so-called sanction.
Okay.
Well, RBI guidelines are very clear, my lord, we cannot.
You said that your amount has been held up by the ICICI.
ICICI has already directed the amount to be sent to the Bangladesh bank.
Yes. Naturally.
Okay.
No.
Let us see.
Well, there's a total separation of material fact.
Okay,
my lord.
file your
Yes,
affidavit.
yes, yes.
We are seeking a direction that when they send the amount, ICICI will accept the amount and they will give it to us.
No.
Let us see. Okay.
Deep left.
Lordship.
Mr. Upadhyay, your matter,
I need some time, Lord.
you should be here. Your name has been reflected. Yes, where is madam? Who was there?
He is coming through.
Punasila? Yunanda. Okay. Heard Miss Yunanda, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri N. Upadhyay, Learned Standing Counsel, Irrigation Department, has prayed for time to obtain instructions / file affidavit in opposition. Para. In view of the above, list on 30th, not 30th, list on 9th of February,
Lord.
2026.
Lord. Oblige, Lord.
Madam, we have recorded your name. 9th. 29. 9. 29.
Yes, we have filed our affidavit, madam.
Affidavit file served
Yes.
upon you.
Yes.
You'd like to file rejoinder affidavit?
No, they have already admitted, there are 18 bills. Out of 18, they have admitted payment of 1. The rest have been
7,92,332, my lord, we have admitted.
Admitted. Then it will be covered by the full bench.
My lord. My lord.
No other way.
My humble praise is a time limit maybe because they have
What is your prayer? What time?
for the particular time.
That we cannot do. It will be on chronological order.
The payment, the bill is of 2022, my lord.
It will be on chronological order as per the age of your bill, as per the full bench. We cannot say anything more than that. Page number 1, yes, full bench too. Contractual bill. Ramsar Ali, page number 1. Okay. We dispose this of.
My
What is your name?
Yes, Singh.
S. Singh. Heard Sri S. Singh, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Udas, learned state counsel for all the respondents.
Yes, finance is part of
For state counsel.
state council.
Full stop.
Yes,
Para.
except two.
Considering the subject matter involved and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, the instant repetition is taken up for disposal at the admission stage. Full stop. Para. As per the facts projected, please have your seat.
No.
As per the facts projected, the petitioner is the registered owner of a vehicle Tata Sumo bearing registration number AS 09AC 2084. Full stop. The said vehicle was taken on hire by the district administration of West Karbi Anglong and was used for official duties. Full stop. The period of such use ranged between 1/4/21 to 30/11/2022, for which the petitioner had submitted bills amounting to rupees 8,33,278 bracket or 200. However, the said bills have not been cleared, and therefore the writ petition was filed. Para. Sri Singh, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that there is an admission of the liability, and therefore appropriate directions are required to be passed for clearing the bill. Para. Ms. Das, the learned state counsel, by referring to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 5 on 5/12/2025, has submitted that the amount in question is admitted, and in the meantime,
My lord, in the meantime, my lordship, 30,046 rupees have been paid. Lordship will find page, paragraph 8, page 71.
okay.
41,046 paid, my lord.
How
Paragraph
much
8.
amount are you admitting?
Now, my lord, 7,92,332. Next page, your lordship will find in page.
Yeah, no, in this connection, she has referred to the averments made in paragraph 8 of the affidavit of opposition. Full stop. Para. The aforesaid averments reads as follows. 8 page 71. Para. The aspect of exercise of jurisdiction by a writ court in contractual matter has been clarified by a full bench in the case of Tarsem Ali, Tamsir Ali versus so-and-so, page 1 of it, wherein the following guidelines have been laid down. Considering the above and the admitted position as stated in the affidavit of opposition, the instant writ petition is allowed by directing for consideration of the case of the petitioner and his payment of the bills in accordance with the direction of the full bench in the case of Tamsir Ali Super.
Lordship, the matter may be passed over for the time being. My senior is on legs.
Lordship, and
Notice
it's
was
at a
issued.
time, instruction is awaited, Lordship.
Okay, you file affidavit.
Lordship, we have to file it. And for all the rest.
He is seeking time, Mr. Deori. Okay. Heard Sri T. Deori, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. In this case, notice was issued on 15/10/2025. Para. Sri S. R. Barua,
Lordship.
learned state counsel has prayed for and granted time to enable him to obtain instructions, let's file affidavit in opposition. Para, list on 6th of February.
May I pray your lordship? There is another writ petition, similar writ petition, WPC 5985/2025.
On 6, or along with WPC, along with WPC
5985/2025.
5985/2020, which is stated to be similar.
Deep replacement.
If that affidavit has been filed, Mr. Deori?
No, your lordship. Same. 5985/2025. Check it, check it. This one guys.
Obliged, Lordship. Thank you, Lord. Wait, please, Your Lord. In item number 31, I have received an affidavit in opposition filed by respondent number 1, 2, and 3. I have to respond to that.
You're for 1, 2, and 3?
Yes, I have filed it today, my lord.
Okay,
I've received 2 weeks time to file my response.
okay. Your health department?
No, my lord, as additional as I am appearing, my lord. for
No,
the-
no, you have filed for which department?
This is for Department of Housing and Urban
Urban
Affairs.
Affairs.
Okay. The respond numbers 1, 2, and 3. No, 3. 3B Gogol, the learned AAG, has submitted that the affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respond numbers 1, 2, and 3 would be filed during the course of the day. Full stop. 3, D Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for time. Petitioners, yes. Prays for time to file rejoinder affidavit. Full stop. A similar prayer has also been made by Sri R. Dubey, learned counsel for respond number 4 to file his response to the writ petition. Para?
I'm
view-
taking 2 weeks time.
In view of the above, list on
Can it be-
2nd of February.
Can it be on 6th, my lord? Because the other matter that was fixed on 6th, there
Okay.
is some connection between the.
On 6th of February to enable exchange of further pleadings.
My lord. Deeply.
Related है different one. Related. लोग है क्या पढ़ते हैं? हाँ, like.
But we have filed our affidavit here and amount is admitted.
Same order we can pass.
Amal, paragraph 6, page 57 of our affidavit may be considered.
Same order,
Amal,
the one which had passed. Okay, page.
page 57, paragraph 6. Amount is admitted. Last paragraph.
7, paragraph 6, 8, 6, 8. Mr. Singh, you are appearing in this case also? Okay. Ramsar Ali, disposed of.
Obliged.
This is the contempt for non-compliance of the order dated 21/4/22, my lord, page 16. The written portion is page 17. That's second paragraph.
Matter, what is this?
Lordship will file our affidavit. if
You have
for-
filed?
We will file Lordship if.
You are for whom?
Lordship for respondent number 3.
Need to be bench 4 will be put on. Huh? 4 meeting. 5 done. Right, something. Okay, yes, you require time.
Lordship, in 2 weeks we'll file our affidavit.
And they
Okay.
produced the order dated 3/11/25, my lord. On that day, they were directed to.
Lordship.
Okay, but we have already taken time earlier, 22 matter.
Yes, your Lordship.
Okay,
So,
what is your name?
Your Lordship, N.R. Sharma.
3 N.R. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 3,
3.
has renewed his prayer for grant of time to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Para, considering that this petition, who is respondent number 3?
Principal Secretary PTC.
Considering that this petition is pending since the year 2022, this court. When did you enter appearance? Recently or what?
Lordship, in the month of November, Your Lordship.
In view of the fact that the respondent number 3 has entered appearance in November 2025, further time of 4 weeks is granted to file affidavit in opposition. Para, list on 6th of February.
6. Yes, Lordship. Always.
Yeah, please, your lordship. This is also contempt lordship. Lordship will find at page 17 the order, dated 17/12/2021.
Yes.
Here also they have not filed the affidavit.
Yes, file your affidavit.
Lordship, I think as per the last order, it appears that because the previous councils had appeared in this case, if I'm not wrong.
I'll be border.
Item 34.
Affidavit was said to be filed. Affidavit filed or not?
No, not yet.
Not filed.
I think it's there on record, Lordship.
But it was not served on us, lordship.
Lordship, I think I checked the record. It's
You check the records.
yes, it's there as flag A, perhaps.
Affidavit.
Sir, আমি ফাইল করা লগৰ কনসিডাৰ কৰিছ না স্যার মই ৰেকৰ্ড চেক কৰিছো মই কপি পোৱা নাছিলো
Miss Boro, RB Boro is appearing. Where is she? Please call her, okay? Affidavit has been filed.
Lordship, I have not been served with the copy, lordship.
Not been served. How is it possible? Your D. Dotto has received on your behalf.
Maybe,
D. Dotto is your person.
lordship, I'll run to her.
Before you make a submission, you have to, you see, maybe it's in your file.
No,
You've forgotten about
I've
it.
checked it up.
You have not checked properly.
I've checked it up. Not in that.
On the prayer of Sri Ardhar, learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on 21st of January. And please ask Madam RB Bora to appear on the next. Yes, okay. Yes, William. Yeah, okay.
20 and 21.
I apologize, Your Lordship. I could not.
Yes,
be
what
there.
is it? What is it?
I was in the other court. Your Lordship, it relates to the cancellation of the pharmacist license.
Yes,
In the-
Mr. Gogoi.
In
We have
the,
filed the affidavit otherwise. Tokos was issued, my lord. They have not responded and according.
We
to
have
my-
decided many of these cases.
Yes, my lord, but there, my lord, they responded. Thereafter, they will cancel. And the opportunity to appeal has been given by the government. Statutory appeal before the government.
Why didn't you respond?
in this case, Your Lordship, we have categorically stated that you have not received the show cause notice. And they could also not establish in the second case, Your Lordship. Let me place the case.
Now, what is the present position? Cancelled.
Yes, they have already terminated us from our license, removed our name from the register. Your Lordship, here is a case where the first case was filed that no prejudicial action should be taken against us. Now, there
No,
was a
if
stay
your,
order.
if your averment is that you have not been served notice, we may give you some opportunity to show cause now.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Gogoi? See, if you have some genuine reasons to proceed against them,
Yes,
you have to
yes.
give them an adequate
Okay.
opportunity. Because you cannot condemn somebody unheard. Give them an opportunity, give notice in the
The
sense.
notice is already there, my lord. Now we
No,
have,
no, no, it is not required for any formal notice.
let them respond in that case. My lord, within a time frame, they will have to respond.
Yes.
Your
How soon can you respond?
Your Lordship, the
We'll
issue was-
interfere in this section. How soon can you respond?
Your Lordship, the notices are here, Your Lordship.
Yes.
In fact, Your Lordship, I'll call the client and I'll say them, let them respond to it.
Mhm.
That I can do, your lordship.
No, no, that, how soon can you respond? We'll give you a, because if you make it indefinite, otherwise, again, you'll suffer prejudice.
Your lordship, can your lordship fix the matter? If it's not inconvenient to this court on Wednesday, let me
Wednesday or
take the
Thursday, my lord, I will also have the instruction.
take the
my lord.
instruction.
If you can, you can have it at 2 o'clock also. No
Your
point.
lordship, the problem is that one of the persons, I have the phone number, I could not connect him. This is Deepak Bora, who is the petitioners. So your lordship will give me 1 day time, at least till tomorrow. In
Okay,
that-
tomorrow we'll have it, okay? Heard Sri R. Sinha, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri B. Gogoi, learned AAG, appearing for the respondents. There, the issue revolves around a proceeding which had culminated in termination of the firm, what license? What?
Pharmacist license.
Pharmacist license, full stop. It is the contention of the petitioners that they were not given any notice of before such action, full stop. Para, Sri Gogoi, the learned AG, has however disputed the proposition and has submitted that notices were issued to the petitioners and the license were cancelled on relevant reasons. Para, be that as it may, comma, even if it is presumed that the notices were not duly served, comma, this court is of the opinion that a further opportunity may be granted to the petitioners to file their respective so-called response to the so-called notice. Para, Sri Sinha, the learned counsel for the petitioners, prays for a day's time to obtain instructions with regard to the order intended to be passed by this court. Para, list tomorrow.
Deeply apologize.
The order intended and proposed to be passed. Item.
I'm appearing for respondent number 3, 4, and 5, Your Lordship. And as per office note, respondent number 6 service is not complete. Office note.
You have filed affidavit.
Affidavit not filed yet, Your Lordship, because last occasion, the respondent number 5 was completed, Your Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Whereas Miss R. Decca, learned counsel for respondent numbers 3, 4, and 5 is present. Para, Ms. Decca prays for and is granted 3 weeks further time to file the affidavit in opposition. Para, list after 3 weeks.
36 on system.
36. Same respondents, 3, 4, and 5.
Obliged.
For the sole respondent, I have filed the affidavit.
Yes.
The direction, Lordship will find at page number 14 and the content petition, page para 6. Lordship has directed us to verify the amount and to pay. I have filed the affidavit, my lord. The amount has been verified in paragraph number 4. I have said, page number 26. The amount they have claimed is 53,96,669. After verification, we found rupees 35,81,325. And the amount has been, they have sought the fund from the department. They are awaiting the fund, the fund from the department. Therefore,
wait for a while. Okay.
Or if Lordship kindly pays the direction, the Lordship has directed all the respondents, all the respondent authorities, para 6. They have made only the deputy commissioner, district commissioner party.
No, Lordship, direction to the respondent and more particular to respond number 4 only.
Yes, 4 has
that will consider, but in view of the development, without going into that aspect, if it can be sorted out.
Ultimately, the fund is to be given by the Home Department.
No, that is why we are giving you time.
Lordship. Ma'am.
Heard Sri L. Mohan, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri D. Nath, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 1.
Sole respondent.
For the sole respondent has however submitted that the order of this court has been duly complied with, and after verification, it is found that an amount of 35, 81,325 is found due, and action has been taken for sanction, and a move has been made for sanction of the
Release of the
amount from the concerned department.
Right.
He has also pointed out that while the direction was given to all the respondents in the writ petition, only his client has been made party in the present contempt petition. Be that as it may, in view of the efforts and development which has been placed on record by way of an affidavit by Sri Nath, consideration of this matter is deferred by 6 weeks, list on 16/2/2026.
Lordship.
On the next date, Sri Nath would apprise this court regarding the developments.
Lordship.
May I please, your lordship? In this matter, contractor's bill was not paid, lordship, and direction was issued to pay it in 3 months.
Appearing for respondent number 1, your lordship. Lordship, we have received instruction, but since the incumbent has no more in the post, your lordship. New incumbent has come.
My instruction is that during pendency of this contempt proceeding, some amount has been paid. But he is out of station, the petitioner is out of station, therefore we could not ascertain how much is pending.
Sri D. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that during the pendency of this contempt case, some amount has been received by his client. Full stop. At the same time, Miss R. Das, R.M. Das, Deka, learned counsel for the respondent numbers
Respondent number 1, your lordship.
1 has submitted that her client is no longer holding the said post. In view of the efforts and development, consideration of this matter is deferred by 4 weeks. Full stop. Sri Chaudhary, the learned counsel for the petitioner, is required to obtain further instructions, including on the aspect of filing appropriate application for implement.
Another thing is that in respect of respondent number 2, Bhaskar Nanda, the service is incomplete, lordship.
Is it there?
King lordship, name is not correct, your lordship. We have made party Bhaskar Nanda, your lordship. As per my information is, it should be Bhaskar Diti Manta, your lordship.
Okay.
That's why maybe service is.
That will be the first direction would cover. You take instructions on implement.
Obliged.
Yes. Next.
There's been a single judge, matter went to division bench and it was rejected. Then it went to Supreme Court also. Supreme Court also rejected the SLP matter. But Supreme Court has only given 60 days time to the FCI to make the payment so that the interest does not come. And that will expire on 16th of February. So any day after February, my lord, we'll make the payment.
Okay. He said we will make. Heard Sri B. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri S.K. Chakraborty for the respondent.
Respondent 1 and 2.
Respondent numbers 1 and 2. Sri B. Chakraborty, the learned counsel, has submitted that the direction connected with this case has attained finality, as the challenge before the Honorable Division Bench and the Honorable Supreme Court challenges were made by the respondent corporation were unsuccessful. Full stop. He has also pointed out that the Honorable Supreme Court has made an observation for release of the payment within a time frame which is to expire on 16/2/2026.
26.
Para. Sri S. Chakraborty Learned Council for the respondent has submitted that steps are being taken for release of the amount in question within the stipulated time. Para. In view of the efforts in development and submissions, comma, matter is adjourned to be listed on 23rd of February, 2026. 23rd, you will withdraw.
Yes.
The amount.
They have.
42.
Lordship, this is for correction of or some inadvertent mistake in the order, Your Lordship. Only the date, Your Lordship. I have written in paragraph number 2. In order. Paragraph 2 of the IA, Your Lordship.
While issuing notice,
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship has suspended the notice, Your Lordship, but it should be 37, which was written as 37, Your Lordship.
okay,
In the last part of the order, Your Lordship.
okay. Heard, Miss R.M. Deka. R. Deka,
Yes.
Learned Council. You write R. Deka or R.M. Deka?
Lordship, R. Deca.
R. Deka. Money is together,
Yes, they're together.
not separately.
No, it's not.
Heard Miss R. Deka, Learned Council for the applicant, public writ petitioner who, by means of this application, has prayed for correction of a typographical error in the order dated 28/2025. Full stop. It is submitted that the subject matter of challenge was an order dated 3/7/2025, which was stayed by this court. Full stop. However, the date of the order has been inadvertently, date of the notice has been inadvertently written as 30/7/2025 in the second last paragraph instead of 3/7/2025. Para. Peruse the materials on record, including the writ petition. Full stop. It clearly appears that the impugned notice is dated 3/7/2025 and by inadvertence, comma, the notice has been, the date has been written as 30/7/2025 in the second last paragraph of the order dated 28/2025. Full stop. This court has also observed that in the earlier part of the order, comma, the date of the impugned notice has been correctly written as 3/7/2025. Para. In view of the aforesaid submission, comma, the instant I is allowed and the date of the impugned notice appearing as 30/7/2025 is to be read as 3/7/2025. Para. I stands accordingly allowed. Para. Let this order be read as a part of the order dated 28/2025 passed in WPC 4722 of 25.
No blood.
Memories. 0330. Yes, Mr. Slam.
May please, Lordship. But a similar prayer, Lordship, while issuing notice in the order dated 22/9/25, the name of the college has been recorded as Tezpur Medical College, whereas it ought to be Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed Medical College. Your Lordship sees para 2 of my IA.
Which order?
Order is annexed with the IA. Order dated 22/9/25, Your Lordship.
22/9.
Yes, sir. It is in the second para. Second para, it is contended
Yes.
On behalf of the petitioner, she is undergoing.
Second semester in Tezpur Medical College. It should be what?
It should be Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. It is
Borpeta.
Borpeta.
Borpeta has been made Tezpur.
Yes.
Right.
In para 21 of a.
Why this Tezpur had come in? There's some reference to Tezpur or what?
No, if I have to submit fairly. Though it is written in paragraph 21 as Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, but while submitting slip of tongue, it is my mistake that I have.
Oh, doesn't matter, okay. Heard Sri R. Sharma, learned counsel for the applicant, writ petitioner, who by means of this application has paid for a typographical error appearing in the order dated 22/9/2025, full stop. He has submitted that in the third paragraph of the order, the name of the college has been written as Tezpur Medical College and Hospital, which should be Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed Medical College and Hospital. Full stop. He has submitted that he has fairly submitted that while making the submissions on the relevant date, comma, the name of the college was wrongly placed. Full stop para. Also heard Sri S.R. Barua, Learned State Council.
Yes.
And Miss R. Deka,
Here that is an empowerment.
Standing Council for Social Justice and Empowerment, who do not have any objection in making the in making the aforesaid correction para. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties and on perusal of the materials on record, including the connected writ petition, comma, it clearly appears that the name of the college mentioned as Tezpur Medical College and Hospital should have been Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed Medical College and Hospital. Full stop para. Accordingly, it is directed that the college should be read as Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed College and Hospital instead of Tezpur Medical College and Hospital in the order dated 22/9/2025. Para. I accordingly stands allowed, para, that this order be read as a part of the order dated 22/9/2025.
Main writ petition, Your Lordship, let it come for admission and the interim to continue.
And that is not before us today.
Not
is it?
before, Your Lordship. Interim to be
To
continued.
the next date of listing, it's not been listed, okay. In the writ petition, right, an order has been passed today in I 3420 of 2025, making certain corrections of, making some typographical, a correction of typographical error in the order dated 22/9/2025. Para. Since pleadings have
I have to file my affidavit.
Lordship, we are yet to receive the extra copies in the matter.
Okay.
In a main writ petition.
Okay. Sri S.R. Barua, the Learned State Council, has submitted that extra copies of the writ petition are yet to be served upon him. Para. Sri R. Sharma, the Learned Council for the petitioner, undertakes to serve extra copies during the course of the day. Para. List for admission after 2 weeks.
Interim to continue.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged.
Yes.